This guide will show you how to add meals to your meal plan using the Dinner Brain Wizard. Click on the Meal Plan option to begin customizing your meal schedule. Click on the magic wand icon to open the Dinner Wizard. You can make the Dinner Wizard pick meals with certain dietary preferences. Click on Quick Meals to filter recipes that can be prepared quickly. You can choose how long you want to spend preparing meals to cook, as well as the maximum time you want to spend cooking a meal. You can also filter by recipe tags. Click on Apply to Week to apply your selected filters and preferences to the weekly meal plan. Click on the Week view to see your meal plan for the entire week. This guide showed how to customize and apply dietary preferences, cooking time, difficulty, and meal tags to create an automatic weekly meal plan using the DinnerBrain app. This guide showed how to customize and apply dietary preferences, cooking time, difficulty, and meal tags to create an automatic weekly meal plan using the DinnerBrain app.